Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix battery drain problem in your Samsung smartphone. So how you can fix if it is all time decreasing your battery. So friends, firstly you have to go to the settings of your smartphone, click on applications, click on three dots and click on reset app preference. By doing that, it will reset your disabled app, notification restriction for apps, background data restriction and permission restriction. Click on reset, then select the app that is taking too much storage. Click on that and you have to turn off background data. Click on this, allow background data usage, you have to turn it off. This will not drain your battery when you are not using your smartphone. Then friends, you have to turn off automatic updates from the Play Store or your software update. By going to the settings of your Play Store, click on this auto update apps and click on don't auto update apps. You have, if there is an update, you have to do it manually. Then this will by doing these steps, this will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.